Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that is where that green line comes from. And I bring that up because you can see today just an absolute thing of beauty, and why I laugh when people say, oh, charts don't work. No, am I saying charts are perfect? No, there's no such thing as a perfect tool. But are charts totally worthless like some people say? No. And anybody that tells you that, they're just ignorant. And case in point right here, like I said, I promise I have not moved that green line, and I'm not patting myself on the back. I am patting charts on the back. But price pulled back here and had a pretty rough morning. But check it out right where the price found some support. And then from there, you can see the price had a very nice remainder of the day with a good solid bounce here in the upwards direction. So good stuff here. And whether you're really a shorter term player or a longer term player, the chart's firing on all cylinders. The best way to kind of show that, because I realize in the short term, yeah, very nice bounce today, but to look at more so a big picture and longer term, you can also see that the bulls are just continuing to build those higher bases. And for any of you construction folk out there, or if you just have a halfway decent imagination, if you picture each one of these lows as a stair step, you can see these stair steps continue to build themselves in the overall upwards direction, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So, the moral of the story here, as I've said in past videos, is as long as the price keeps on building these higher lows, then everything else is going to continue to take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. I mean, when you stop and think about it from a literal perspective, if a chart, and a price keeps putting in higher lows and higher lows and higher lows, then the chart literally runs out of room. And the only place for the price to go is higher, aka break levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows, and everything else, like I said, will continue to take care of itself. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, really all about the level up there at 0.026. That was just where the party stopped today. So 0.026, public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, like I said, as long as the price keeps on building those higher lows, everything's going to continue to take care of itself like it's been doing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.